Today we're talking about the best phaser that 1975 had to offer, the Roland AP7. When this was originally introduced, a lot of people flocked to it. We're talking about Fleetwood Mac, we're talking about the Isley Brothers. This is also seen used by Bootsy Collins, and more recently, LCD Sound System has used this for what he describes as his krautrock guitars. One interesting thing about it is it's really two effects in one. You have jet, which is fuzz and phase, and then you have the phaser. The phaser alone was used to great effect on the harpsichord sound by Christine McVie on the song Gold Dust Woman. But the jet sound is very interesting because there's no way to really separate the phase from the fuzz. So if you want to use this just for the fuzz, you're going to have to use the jet sound and then have a very slow rate and very low resonance on your phase, which actually, in my opinion, is one of the coolest doom metal tones that is available. I don't understand why this isn't, the most wildly popular pedal in that genre. That being said, it's been recently reintroduced by Warm Audio and is available on the market for probably the first time in, close to 100 years. So go check out the AP7.